Patch Lab.
Hi, welcome to Patch Lab. In today's episode we're going to have Veijo Laine with us from Roland Europe, and he's going to show us some Roland products along with the new System 500 modules. So please welcome Veijo.
So hello, my name is Veijo Laine and I come from Roland Europe Group. I'm the product manager for the RPG division, which handles all this AIRA stuff, modular, synthesizers, audio interfaces and such. Today we are going to talk about the Roland modular instruments. And today we have with us here the AIRA modular we call is the System 1M, which is a semi-modular synthesizer. We'll talk a little bit more about that. We have four AIRA effects. The bit racer, which is a bit crusher. Torpedo, it's a distortion effect. We have demora, a delay, and a scooper is a scatter and looper combined. In the bottom row, we have the fully analog System 500, which is in eurorack format. We have a dual VCO called 512. 521 is a dual VCF. And a VCA called 530, and then we have an envelope LFO, so it's two envelopes plus an LFO, and then we also have 572, which is an analog delay phase shifter LFO, and we have also a gate delay. All these analog VCO based and voltage controlled units are based on System 100M. From 1978. Very exciting to have them back. So this is the full analog family. Everything up here in the two rows are digital technology and based on ACB technology and also our DSP technology. And this is pure analog. Now we're listening to System 1M. So I'm using basically one oscillator, oscillator 1. We have two oscillators. We have the normal waveforms here. Nice waveforms. We can do super saw from the very regular things. We have super square and so on. We also have new waveforms. Holding legato and tweaking the waveform button give us more exciting. So I will just take you through them. So there's a lot of waveforms inside on both oscillators. Maybe the new ones, by holding legato, changing the waveform button, you will get the new ones. Very exciting, try them. I think all of you know what plug-out is. If you don't know, it's a kind of a plug-in synthesizer that you can use in your DAW. Then you can use it in multiple extenses in a normal DAW, but you can also export it into an engine slot. And currently we do have System 100s. We have SH2, SH101, ProMars, and the System 1 itself as a plug-out available. So you can use that in your computer or on this hardware. We do have effects. Let's listen to that. So we have bit crusher. Reverb. Delay. With time. Okay. We have an audio input, so I could send any signal through filter envelope, amp envelope, and also the effect unit. So I can use this as an effect unit. USB audio, so it's a 96 kHz audio interface as well. We can do that. CC on all knobs. So it's an easy solution to start with. Great sound, but it's a semi-modular. Of course, we can start repatching it. I think that's no new for you, but you can of course cross-patch it itself. So if you are not a modular user, you could start cross-patching. Take the LFO from here. Go into the envelope, for example, and you go like modular. or we can go oscillator 2. So I can cross patch it by itself. So we can go modular on the unit itself. I also have direct output of oscillator 1 and 2, so I could actually go from here to my analog filters. Okay, shall we listen to the effects? So I take a very basic sound. We start with the bit tracer, so I have connected them in serial. So we'll listen a little bit to one on each of them. Start with the bit tracer. So I have a very smooth action. It's 16 million. It's 24 bit, so we have 16 million steps. So when you try these yourself, you feel there's a really, really smooth action. So now we have the clean signal. I can take the resonance all the way up. And of course we can start LFOing it, so I can doing for example I can so I can modulate a lot of parameters like I would do on any stuff. Okay. I have sample rates. Bit. So very smooth action. Okay. Next one, torpedo. Tone, warmth, warm boost. I can really go. Combined with bit tracer. Okay, Demora, delay. So from very short delays to very extreme. Then we have scooper. I can record. Then I can play it. I can also show you there is an application which makes these very interesting. Maybe we don't have time now. It's an iPad application which has the main module, and then I can add 6 additional modules from within here. So if I would like to have an LFO in the signal chain or a filter, I can add a filter here like this, and then I could repatch the signal flow on the iPad. And I can use an audio signal or USB. So this is working on USB or on an audio signal. If I repatch an audio cable, I can edit through an audio signal. We can look at that later. So I can actually add a rack of 6 additional modules. And in future there will be new additional modules. At this point we have 50 modules that are included in this free program. Let's move to the System 500. So I have basically patched it. It's playing here. So basically what we have here is the two oscillators playing. I have two oscillators connected, I think, here. Go into the filter. I only go mono signal, so you can go up here and tweak it. And then we have the analog envelope. I also send different very nice sounds. Now we have the phaser, the analog phaser. So this is how it sounds. I tweak it a little bit. We can listen to the analog effects delay. It's like a chorus type. It's known from the System 100M, so it's a very short delay. Then we also have an LFO, and then we have a gate delay. Gate delay, obviously, for CV gate signals, so you can make a time difference. So this design from the original System 100M.
So this was a brilliant presentation from Veijo about the new Roland modules. I really can't wait to have the 500 modules out there. So now it's our turn. Keep on patching.